Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick little video. I had something come today from Keely Reichmann at Odd Girl Journals. They found my scissors, and because I'm not prepared, because I wasn't expecting it today, so look at her cute little pumpkin guy and her beautiful leaf stickers. I'm gonna try and save all of those, but let's open this up. Okay. Oh my goodness. Now I knew there was something specific in here that I was wanting. This right here. Look how adorable this is. It is all of the characters from The Nightmare Before Christmas, and I've been using this for the last few days because I switched back to Passport in TN, but I have some of her wonderful die cuts in here. Let me see, and her vellum and some of her washi and stuff in a Peaky Dory design insert in the passport size. But look how cute they are. So, look, this. I can put this in my pocket or my passport. So there we go. So that was the first thing that I was expecting. Well, that was what I was expecting, but there's some other fun stuff in here. So I get to use this the last few days before Halloween. Yay! Okay, so let's take a look at this. Thank you so much, John Keely. Now, she always includes some specific stickers and some washi tape. And I actually got a roll of her washi tape in September. So I've been using the heck out of this washi tape. And so I like that I've got a little portable sample that I can take with me. So there's the little freebie that she includes with her order. But what she sent me was some of her fun Christmas stuff. So look at this. She sent me a beautiful, and this is field note size. What do they call that? Buffalo plaid card insert. Very, very, very cool. But she also included some of her Christmas inserts and such. So here's one of her, oh no. I think I have this washi tape. They might have had it at Target 2 years ago. But look how wonderful this paperclip is. It's a paperclip with her little polar bear creature. She included a piece of her vellum, which has the little polar bear in various standing like a ballet dancer or seated. Very cute. She included a bunch of her these are die cuts. I think that's what it said. Winter Friend die cuts. 3 die cuts. So here is a sleeping reindeer. Adorable. Here is that cute little polar bear. And I guess that's one of Santa's little helpers. Very cute. Then you also get 11 stickers. And they're like die cut stickers. Oh, I'm ruining that. Okay. And these are the stickers. Here, let me get this stuff out of the way. I'm just too excited, too excited. So here are the stickers. So there's that sleeping reindeer. And you know, I have no idea if I'm in the center screen. Okay, good. There's the sleeping reindeer. There he is in a little pajamas, his hound, buffalo print. There's the little elf. The little bear. Oh my goodness, look at these little penguins. There's 1. There's 2. There's a toadstool or a little mushroom. there's the seated guy, the little bear, and then you, oh wait, there's something underneath it. Ah, I see. There's 2 of the mushrooms. Very cool. Different angles. And then you have your little guys. And these are vinyl stickers, so they're very good quality. Very good quality. Look at that. Look at all those that you can put on. You can put them on vellums. You can put them on dashboards. You could put them on covers of inserts. So much more. And then, look at this. She even has the same guys in sticker sheets. So there's the Winter Friends. There's a bunch of the polar bears. And she even has them in tabs. Isn't that cool? I am getting so excited for this for Christmas. I know Halloween isn't even here, and I still get to enjoy my... Where'd it go? This is my... Where's Halloween? My little Halloween insert. But I'm so looking forward to Christmas because I've got all of these cute stickers. I've got all of these wonderful die cut stickers. I've got these wonderful die cuts here. Oops, where'd the reindeer go? I lost my reindeer. And see, they're even different because they're reverse images. Very cool. Here's the little polar bear. And here's the cute little dude. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot there's even one more thing. She included an insert. So she has that wonderful, all of her characters on the cover, the front and the back. Now, this is field note size. And you'll notice it matches the size of the vellum. And it also matches the size of the zipper pouch. Oops, one of my little guys went away. So let's take a look. And what I will do is this gonna help? So let's take a look in here. So it says Winter Fun Journal and Memory Keeping. So here's the month of November, so you can write all of your plans. Here's the month of December. And she did the half day down here. And with November, it works out correctly. What I might do is take those 2 days and put them up here, just so I have a full box for both days. Now, I know not much is going to be happening on, well, actually, the 23rd and 24th, I've got church gigs. The 30th and the 31st, I've got stuff, so I will definitely move them up there. But look, there's her cute creatures. There's the little bear and some stars and some watercolor. Some watercolor plops. Look how cute. Oh, and there's even a whole page with the snowflakes, which is the background here. The reindeer. So all of the little stickers and die cuts make an appearance. Very cute. Some more of that wonderful paper. Yeah. And it's a nice thick paper too. Very cute. I love that kind of washi strip look that she has there. And I love the watercolor plops. Oh, that's cute. He's very transparent, like grayscale. And there's the little elfy Santa sort of dude. Some more watercolor. So this would be perfect for memory keeping. Now she does have this in other sizes. She has it in Pocket, B6, Standard Midori, and there might be one more size that she has it in. See how they're grayscale too? Very cool. And then there's room for notes here at the end. Very, very, very cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link down below Keely Reichmann so you can find out more. This, I think she's all out of them. I think this was one of the last ones she made because she had a limited supply of these, well, I want to say like Trader Joe bags or whichever store she got these from. But there you go. I just wanted to share with you this. So I will link Keely down below. Keely, thank you so much for all of the extra goodies that I wasn't really expecting, but they will be wonderful for me. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. And be sure to check my Instagram, where I will be doing posts showing how I'm using all of these cute things during the month of December. And so you can also find Keely Reichmann on Instagram. She has an Instagram. Here it is. It's on the back of her packaging. It's Keely Reichmann and also Odd Girl Journals. Okay? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.